7th, class 7th, a very good morning to all. So, I told you to read this passage and we will discuss the question answers, and I told you to solve this passage and write down the question answers. I read the passage for you and I explained you that day on 7th we have started. So, okay. So today is Monday and we are going to solve this comprehension. Fine. So you can do this in your question answer part, you can do in your grammar notebooks. You write down chapter number 28, reading comprehension, in your notebook. Write down passage number 1, Jacob the Great. Passage number 1, Jacob the Great. Either you can, it will be good if you get it photostat. आप इसे फोटोस्टैट करवा के अपनी कॉपी में पेस्ट कर सकते हैं पूरी पैसेज को, बिकॉज इट इज क्वाइट लॉन्ग. सो यू गेट इट फोटोस्टैट and get it pasted in your notebook and then write down the question answers. We will do the question answers in the notebooks. So this one I have done it for you. We have solved it. From the B part I told you to do it yourself. I told you to solve it. So come on, let's move to the second part. So which word is closest in meaning to the italicized words in the following sentence form? Paragraph 4. It was no surprise that Jacob's father was reluctant to buy him a magician kit for his birthday. So what do you think? I gave you this homework on 7th. So today is 9th. We are going to solve it. ये हम आज क्लास वर्क कर रहे हैं. उस दिन मैंने आपको ये होमवर्क दिया था. I hope all of you have find out the answers. So the meaning of reluctant is, yes, it's a hesitant. So this is the nearest meaning, closest in the meaning. Reluctant जब आप थोड़ा सा not willingly जब आप कुछ काम करते हैं, तो hesitant होते हैं जब आप कुछ, तभी आप थोड़े से रिलक्टेंट रहते हैं कुछ काम करने में. ठीक है. नाउ वी विल कंप्लीट दिस लाइन. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. बेस्ड ऑन द एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी Jacob is most likely to go on. What will come here? Complete the sentences. Yes, to go on and by the end. हमने एंड में देखना है ये. ठीक है. तो एंड में क्या हुआ था, हम एंड का पढ़ेंगे पार्ट. Based on the end of the story, the Jacob is most likely to go on with what? He now knew what his true purpose in life was. He was moving from one activity to another because he loses interest. उसकी जो हमने हैबिट देखी है, that he loses interest in one activity very soon. So when he saw an advertisement on the TV screen that he wanted to go to, now he wanted to go to a space. So based on the end of the story, Jacob is most likely to go on and what should be the answer? How will you complete the following sentence? Come on. Nobody has sent me the images. I think nobody has solved this, and this is really very bad. Nobody has sent me the pics of this answers. So what will come here? I am not going to write it. I am waiting for your responses. Send me the images if anybody has done it. Immediately send me. Jacob's father buys Jacob the magician kit because what he thinks why he bought that kit for him. Jacob gets distracted from the magician kit by a, किस चीज़ से वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गया था magician kit के बाद? ऐसी क्या चीज उसने देखी कि वो फिर से डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गया. यू ऑल ऑफ यू सेंड मी इन रिटर्न. सब अपने आप करेंगे ये वाला कंप्लीट, मैं नहीं बताऊंगी. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस बाय चूजिंग द करेक्ट आंसर. Which character trait best describes Jacob in regard to his hobbies? Was he dedicated? No. Was he impulsive, committed or devoted? So he was impulsive. Means उसके जो इंटरेस्ट थे बार बार चेंज हो रहे थे, इसलिए हम उसे impulsive बोलेंगे. To which genre does the story belong? It's a fiction, non-fiction, folklore or a poetry? So it's a fiction. To which subgenre does the story belong to? Is it a biography, fable, realistic fiction or historical fiction? It's a realistic fiction. In which pattern is the text organized? Problem solution, sequence, riddle or cause and effect? Yes, who will tell me? In which pattern is the text organized? टेक्स्ट है पोएम का, पैसेज का, किस पैटर्न में लिखा? प्रॉब्लम सोल्यूशन है? नो, आई डोंट थिंक सो. इट्स अ सीक्वेंस, आई थिंक. रिडल और कॉज एंड इफेक्ट. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ सीक्वेंस फॉर्म. फ्रॉम व्हाट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इज द स्टोरी नरेटेड? फर्स्ट पर्सन के थ्रू की गई है, सेकेंड, थर्ड और थर्ड पर्सन ओमनी प्रेजेंट. सो हैव अ लुक. Jacob hated things almost as much as he loved staring them. He begged his mother. He took lessons. So, it is mostly written in the third person. He. Omniscient means omniscient होता है बच्चे जो which knows everything about that person. So this story is in the third person. So I'll tell you the answer of this question later on. Okay, I need to discuss it. Which poetic poetic technique is used in the following line? He beeped it around the park for a while. So which poetic technique? Yes. No response, no images have come from you people. Everything I am giving you the ready-made. So this time I want you to do this yourself. You will tell me that which poetic technique is used in this. Which technique is used in the following line? He had gotten into a million hobbies and activities. So 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to do this all yourself and complete the following sentences also. You have to do it yourself. I am not going to do it for you. So this time you will solve this question answers and you will send me the image of these question answers. So which one are left now? You will do it yourself and send me the images that ma'am we have done this. And write down all these question answers in your grammar notebook. And it will be good if you people get it photostat, this page, this whole passage, get it photostat, this story, and paste it in your notebook. It will be good. Otherwise, if you don't want to get it photostat, so just write down the name, Jacob the Great, passage number 1, and title likhiye reading comprehension, and write down all the question answers in your notebooks. I want all this. And I want responses today only, class 7th. You will solve it. You will tell me which poetic technique is used in these lines, and you will solve these answers. You will complete the sentences. Is it clear to all? I am not going to do it for you. And on 17th, I want to check your syllabus. Your notebooks should be complete with the syllabus. जहाँ तक मैंने कराया, from up till that much I have completed. I want to see this comprehension also. You will bring both notebooks, grammar as well as the reader. And in reader, I want all the lessons to be completed, each and everything which I have make you do. And in grammar, I want up till the last day, जो भी मैं करवाऊंगी आपका, वहाँ तक पूरे कॉपीज में पूरा काम होना चाहिए. 17th को मैंने देखना है. all of you will bring your English grammar as well as reader notebooks. Am I clear, class 7th? And start revising your work. In literature also, we have done completed 4 lessons. Start revising because our exams are approaching from the 3rd week of November. And keep completing your work sideways. So now, with this, you complete this passage.